Welcome to JouleBug. Let's get you started on making a positive impact. First, create your account. Sign up with your email and follow the instructions for SSO or enter the access code provided by your company. You'll start your journey on the Actions tab. From the bottom bar, you can navigate through different tabs like Activity, Challenges, Actions, Notifications, and Profile to explore various features. In the Actions tab, you can choose sustainability actions to log. Each action you take helps reduce our collective impact on the environment. To log an action, simply click on its image and then press Log Action. You can also add details like quantity, an image, and a caption to earn bonus points. Under your profile, you can see your impact stats and how your actions contribute to a healthier planet. Join challenges and compete with your friends and colleagues to make sustainability a shared goal. Log actions and watch your rank rise on the leaderboard. Check out the challenge activity feed to like and comment on actions others have taken. And finally, celebrate the collective effort your team is making. Set up notifications to stay updated on new actions and challenges. JouleBug makes it fun and easy to adapt sustainable habits. Start your sustainable journey with JouleBug today and make a difference one action at a time.